In real-world environments, pollution often occurs as a complex mixture of heavy metals and organic contaminants. Such composite pollution is difficult to address with a single remediation method. How can these challenges be effectively managed? Biochar may offer a key solution. Biochar, as a multifunctional, environmentally friendly material, shows great potential in tackling complex pollution. It can be produced from a wide range of feedstocks, including agricultural residues, forestry byproducts, and household waste, transforming waste into valuable resources. This waste-to-resource approach not only reduces waste generation, but also lowers remediation costs. The strength of biochar lies in its multiple mechanisms of action. It can absorb and immobilize heavy metals while simultaneously catalyzing the degradation of organic pollutants, giving it unique advantages in the treatment of complex contamination. Its strong adsorption capacity and catalytic properties make it highly effective in both water and soil pollution remediation. Beyond pollution control, biochar can serve as a microbial carrier, enhancing the self-purification capacity and overall health of ecosystems. It also contributes to carbon sequestration and emission reduction, helping to mitigate greenhouse gas emissions and support ecological restoration. With its diverse functions and long-lasting effects, biochar is not only an ideal option for complex pollution remediation, but also a green partner for synergistic ecological restoration.